Hi, this is Tom, a legal professional dedicated to helping you conduct business with Chinese companies more safely and effectively. Today, let's discuss how to decide on an arbitration institution when signing a contract with a Chinese company. Should you choose a Chinese arbitration institution or one from another country? First, let's introduce some of the commonly used arbitration institutions for contracts between foreign companies and Chinese companies. In China, the highly recommended arbitration institutions include the China International Economic and Trade Arbitration Commission, which is the most authoritative foreign-related arbitration institution in China, with the largest caseload globally. It is especially good at handling Sino-foreign economic and trade disputes, including contract disputes, joint ventures, and technology transfer issues. Another institution is the China Maritime Arbitration Commission, which specializes in maritime and shipping disputes, such as ship collisions and maritime insurance. It mainly handles maritime transportation, ship leasing, and marine pollution disputes. Other international arbitration institutions include the International Chamber of Commerce Arbitration Court, ICC, one of the most authoritative arbitration institutions globally, known for strict case management and high-quality decisions. It mainly handles complex disputes involving multinational trade, investment, and intellectual property. The Hong Kong International Arbitration Center, HKIAC, offers flexible procedures and strong autonomy for arbitral tribunals, making it suitable for parties looking for quick resolution of disputes. It mainly deals with contract disputes, company disputes, etc. The Singapore International Arbitration Center, SIAC, is a leading arbitration institution in Asia with a rapidly growing caseload, particularly suitable for disputes in the Asia-Pacific region. It mainly handles trade, investment, and engineering disputes. So, how should a company choose an arbitration institution to maximize its interests? Based on my personal advice, if choosing a Chinese arbitration institution, the top choice is the China International Economic and Trade Arbitration Commission, CIATEC. If you're concerned about the impartiality of the arbitration, you might want to consider the Hong Kong International Arbitration Center, HKIAC, or the Singapore International Arbitration Center, SIAC. However, these two arbitration institutions tend to be more expensive, so you need to weigh your options carefully. If the contract amount is large, it is recommended to choose the Hong Kong or Singapore arbitration institutions. If you need professional advice, feel free to contact me on Upwork.